AI02-5HX Delivery Assembly and Test, Amphibious Indonesia. 5-ton standard amphibious excavator designed to conquer wetlands, rivers, and the most challenging terrains. From our workshop to the project site, the unit arrives safely, right on schedule, ready for assembly. The undercarriage is mounted, aligned, and reinforced with precision. All systems, hydraulics, electrical, and controls are thoroughly inspected. Each component is aligned to perfection, ensuring AI02-5HX stands not just as a machine, but as a symbol of engineering strength and reliability. Finally, stability is verified both on land and in full flow condition, ensuring complete safety and reliability in any working environment. The AI02-5HX proves its capability. With its 5-ton standard configuration, it delivers the perfect balance of power, mobility, and efficiency. Even while fully afloat, the unit remains stable and secure, ready to perform dredging, reclamation, and swamp management tasks with confidence. It's power you can trust. Anytime, anywhere. The AI02-5HX, strong, reliable, and built for Indonesia's future. Amphibious Indonesia, your dredging solution.